Making a mail merge is very useful if you want to print an envelope, or a decree, or others that have a lot of data while the template is only one. Well, to make a mail merge or mailings from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Word, first you create a database in Excel. You create a list of data in the form of names that will be entered into Microsoft Word. Don't forget to put a column title in the table. We can create other data if needed, such as addresses or others. After everything has been created, you save it in place and close Microsoft Excel. After that, you open Microsoft Word and create a format that later the data in Microsoft Excel will be entered into that format. It is even better if the format or template has been provided beforehand. After that, we go to the section to connect Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word using mailings. Watch this video until the end to find out how. Go to the Mailings menu, then select Recipients and select Use Existing List. Then a new window will appear, select Data Source. There you look for the Microsoft Excel data that was created earlier. After that you select Microsoft Excel and then select Open. After that a new window will appear again. You select which sheet in the Excel document you place the data that was created. You select, for example, in Sheet 1, then click OK. Well, after that we go to the section to enter the data into the format or template that we created earlier. Keep watching this video to find out how. The method is, open Insert Merge field which is in the Mailings menu. Well, there will appear the title of the data column created in Microsoft Excel earlier. You place the column title according to its location into Microsoft Word. The method is to place the cursor in the section where you want to place the data from Microsoft Excel earlier. Then click the column title and Insert Merge field earlier. Select the column data title according to its location. After that, to see the data, click Preview Results. To move the data, you can click the arrow to the left or right. So, how is it? Easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.